So this is a fun way to do a fashion drawing. What you will need is a printout of a fashion image, so preferably the whole figure from head to toe. I went on Google Images and searched fashion images and found this, and I just printed it out. It's on 8.5 by 11 paper. You'll also need a little bit of tape. It can be any kind of tape. You'll need a piece of tracing paper, at least 8.5 by 11 inches in size, so you can put it over your printout. You'll need a pencil. Optional is a thin black Sharpie. I like to use this, and something to color with, like markers or color pencils. Okay, so you're going to put your tracing paper right over your fashion image. You're going to take a little piece of tape to tape down your papers so that the tracing paper doesn't move while you're tracing, and then you won't lose your place. Okay. So you can do it with the pencil or you can do it with the Sharpie. I'll start with the pencil first, and then I'll probably just move to the Sharpie real quick, just so you can see what I'm tracing a little more easily. A sharpened pencil works best. Okay, so I would do the whole figure, or you can just go right in with the Sharpie. And the Sharpie will show up better on camera, so that's why I'm switching to it. And as you're tracing, you can change the image to look however you want. Like if you wanted to put shorter pants on her or change the pattern on her pants, you can do that as you're tracing. Do her shirt. And I chose like a really simple outfit for this video because I didn't want it to take too long. So do some of her bracelets there. And you can go into detail on like her hands and her face as much as you want. She's got a clutch purse right there. Of course, I'm tracing this upside down so you can see it on the camera, but if it was right side up, I'd probably be doing a much better job. But this is good. She's got sunglasses, you can do her hair. And you don't have to do every single strand of hair that she has. You can just kind of indicate in different places, like a few strands of hair, like that. Her shirt says Gucci on it. But you can leave that off if you want and just maybe redesign her shirt. So I'm going to put some polka dots on her shirt, just to change it up a little bit. And maybe later I'll put maybe some stripes on her pants. Right now it's sort of a check pattern. So I'm going to untape it and then hold it up to the camera so you can see how I traced it. Right. So there it is, like that. And then you can just take the tracing paper off, and then you still have the image. And you can color it in. I'm going to use some of my color pencils. Watercolors would work good with this too. You can embellish too, like if you have sequins or glitter. And do her shirt. Do purple. And I'll give her, let's see, do I have brown for brown hair? Oh, I have black. I do black hair. I'll do purple purse. I'll do skin tone. Dark pink for her lips. And I'll hold it up again. And I'll show you a finished one that I did. I even mounted it on a piece of scrapbook paper to make it look nicer. So of course it's a different tracing, a different image, and I added some things in my background. And this is just like a metallic scrapbook paper. Right? And I also put behind the tracing paper, I put a piece of plain white paper. Because if I didn't, you'd be able to see the metallic of the scrapbook paper through the tracing paper, and I didn't want that, so I just put white right behind it. And then I signed it down there.